Here's a costly mistake. Many transport companies don't realize until it's too late. They invest in equipment that fits today's fleet, not tomorrow's. The result? Just a few years later, the same system becomes a next operational bottleneck. Growth is exciting for every transport company. More contracts, more vehicles, and more customer usually mean the business is moving in the right direction. But growth puts pressure on every part of your operation. A department that works perfectly with 20 vehicles may struggle when that number doubles. Maintenance schedule becomes tighter. Dispatch window becomes shorter, and every supporting process must keep pace. Vehicle washes is no exception. Many companies do a washing solution based only on their current needs. At the time, it seems like a smart financial decision. But as the fleet expands, the same system begins creating delays, requiring more labor, longer operating hours, or additional equipment to maintain the same level of service. What looked like a cost-saving decision eventually becomes an expensive limitation. That's why experienced fleet operators plan differently. They don't ask whether a wash system is suitable for today's operation. They ask whether it will still support the business 3, 5, or even 10 years from now. A scalable solution provides flexibility. It allows higher vehicle throughput, adapt to operational change, and support future expansion without forcing the business to redesign its workflow from scratch. At Go&Go, we believe every investment should prepare for your business for what's next, not just what's happening today. Our automatic bus wash system are designed with long-term operational growth in mind, helping transport companies maintain efficiency as their fleet evolves. Choosing the right system is not simply about solving today's challenges, it's about preventing tomorrow's problems before they ever appear. The companies that continue growing successfully are rarely the ones reacting to change. They are the ones who plan it for it long before it's arrived. Where do you save your fleet in the next 5 years? If your answer is longer than today, your washing system should be ready for the future too. Contact Go&Go to discover Scalable, automatic bus wash solution, designed to grow alongside your business, not holding it back.